good morning.
Happy birthday, John!
It is my birthday today. Kind of windy here like it was last night. It's like in the mid 70s.
It's getting up to like 98, 99.
Yeah, today we're going to the Badlands National Park. And like she said, it's going to be damn near 100 degrees.
But it's only like 35 to 40% humidity, so it's not as intolerable as if we were home and it was this hot.
Yeah, so we're going to get going. It's already about 9:30. So we're going to get the day started and spend the day in the Badlands.
And hopefully when we come back, we get another cool view because we're going to stay here again, but might change or just get the same. Who knows?
Yeah, let's get it started. So this pull-off that we're at right now, we actually hiked a few years ago, but at that time we didn't have this YouTube channel. So we've got pictures and short videos and whatnot, but now we actually get to document and show you the beautiful hike that is behind us. It's called Fossil Trail, so come along.
This might not be the one. We went behind the rock. It's hot though.
Guess what? That wasn't it. It was like it, but it wasn't it.
Also, we just walked with like the best guy. He was reading all the signs and it was saying how long ago these fossils were from. And he's like, who was here 60 million years ago to send an email like, oh, this octopus or whatever the animal was is gonna die. Or died, let everybody know. He just was reciting everything and just made me laugh the whole time.
He was by himself. He was like, you find any fossils up there? But on to the actual hike walk thing that we did a few years ago. Because apparently this wasn't it. We found it. We found the spot.
It's called the door and then the window notch. But we found it. Apparently there's Badland formations on every continent, and we are at the definitive Badlands. So does that mean we're at the OG Badlands?
That's right. You see these like little yellow poles right here? Two. There's one like over there. They're numbered. So there's like at least somewhat of a designated trail. But I mean, this place is just open for exploration, whatever you want to do. Cheese.
Cheese!
Well, it's not super humid, but it could be less humid. I think Kayla said something like 45% or something like that.
43?
43. So a little bit less than home, but not quite as low as like out west, like Arizona, Utah. But it is 95 in the direct sun. The breeze makes it a little better. So there is a slight breeze, and it does make it a little bit better. Kayla's just aiming, or wanderingly aimless.
Wandering aimlessly.
Wandering aimlessly.
Wanderless.
Is that
it?
I am like sweating like a hog though. So we're probably gonna trek back to the van, possibly have some lunch, and get in some AC because good Lord. Well, had to make a quick stop at the dump station. We weren't really full with the black tank, but we were running a little low on fresh water. So luckily they had potable water for us to fill up with. So now we got a full freshwater tank, and couldn't have come any sooner because it was over 100 today. We did some hiking, and we're both in need of a shower. So we're on our way back to the boondocking site that we stayed at last night. You'll see in due time again. For us to take a couple of showers. We are quite early, so we might get a more desirable spot. So the only downside of going back to the boondocking spot is we have to go all the way backtracking through the Badlands National Park. So obviously that's in quotations because, oh dear, we have to see all these gorgeous views again.
24-mile loop. It took us about 3.5, 4 hours on the way through, but we were stopping at every one, so I highly doubt it'll take over an hour.
So we're gonna get back, obviously probably catch the sunset again. We're not gonna get up early enough to watch the sunrise like we did this morning, but we are gonna get up early because it was a short 3 days, but tomorrow starts the travel days to get back home to New York. So it's probably gonna take us 2.5 to 3 days of driving. It's 26 hours, so divvy that up between a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to get back home.
And while it only was 3 days, it was well worth the drive out here and the drive it's going to take to get home, because getting to see Custer State Park for the first time and then coming back to Badlands and actually being able to explore it, amazing.
Definitely worth it for me too. So we finally made it to our boondocking spot. Same location, different spot. Obviously we've got some beautiful views back there. Right, that's our rear view, and this is our front view. Right, beautiful location. Right. What is she doing? Got the generator running because I want a little bit of warm water. I don't want an ice cold shower. We need either propane, which we have half a tank, or just run on electricity off the generator. So that's what we're opting to do, because we've got more fuel, more gasoline than we do propane. So letting the water heat up, we're gonna take a couple nice showers and grab something to eat and turn in. Tomorrow's a travel day, so not looking super forward to it, but it is what it is. We gotta get home, gotta, go back to work to pay for things like this. So again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.